sio wasi extend. Si ndio?
Kwani kuna kulipa?
Kufaili ni kitu moja, kulipa ni ingine, na lazima upande zote.
Simi nadhani hiyo ni ya watu wenye wanafanya kwa maofisi. Ai wewe acha kunienjoy wewe. Mimi niko jua kali.
Usipolipa unachapa mapenzi kila mwezi.
Hakuna kitu ni stress kama kufanya tax returns na kulipa kodi. I'll get somebody else to do it for me.
Last year I filed bail. Kwanza mapema. I filed it on June 29.
Lakini ukulipa, ndio maana ulichapa fine.
Hey babe. Kwani whose side are you on?
Nilisha file na nikalipa kitambo for my salo na pia my side hustle. Hata ni rahisi.
Round hii, make sure umefile returns. Na ya maana zaidi, umelipa. Jijue, halafu jibeta.
Stariki ne mirongo hebere na isato mutinyino yogata no limo mwakano yowechirure mirongo hebere ne tanomo manchomo ligerinde no kwege nambiyore andonsia sole na gukwanire abo kwarigani kwenyora mangana maya yekiunga chinse ibere cyabo no butiko eliterane Cyrus Nyakundi asense moyemeryo nigare Wilson Makoliti sangani anegati ali kwarigani tia senchira yowenge.
Arasaka uwa kabeki tusanga nyindi bako mshomurimia achikora mune chaga tarwa naki habi ite bako riera arisanga achibeka mangana buyata tanko igunde mjama kono kia
aba remi beka merige chae korwa se factory ya Sanganyi igobeso kirena ko mochubura iwe factory yo asogo tarwanirira omuremi
estime yekurutwa gina abande no moji tukara bwate myaka 60 sei tontu na koyerora mbona twayerorire nyonyo ntivye chibantu baote abantu wana ochirwa nyomba
abamenyi begwaria nyama ya West Mugirango Nyamira kokero muroberi bwo kubekirwa estima no mujumbe wensemeyo.
This law does not raise taxes on ordinary Kenyans. Instead, it improves fairness by strengthening compliance, closing loopholes.
Moraibenso muske William Ruto ni gabe krese yoko balichi ke finance bill yo mwaka w'ikirubere 2025 nomo asateruna nigerengia gocha so mwananchi. Karibu homo nchomo ligerelia gocha ke kionga chinsebira baraibo kwa merelia serikali wakora wono mokonyi bumura bikyama ya chubiro muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i mo seneta we county ya Kisii muske Richard Onyonka na baraibande ni goba mochiria serikali yo muraibenso muske William Ruto asoka gendera gwikiranie hobora yobobe ukwana samatanga ya mohime ya kegoga hebunge ya Kuria East county ya Migori ni gabara yabo batebruna ni gobara chikwene kibuna gwegera bare homwananchi wokonyora wenso muri kituprani Nyakundi orogoturwa senchira yowikira
abarai ao inserombe ya linda mwananchi vakoraguno musike Fred Matiang'i amono mo seneta Richard Momoima Onyonka nigo baikirana ase umuyega bwa matanga yoko moenia muiseko mwabo mujumbe Ukuria West umusike Paul Kibiriti ime ye county ya Migori gukwana ase amatanga yomo seneta bwe county ya Kisii umusike Richard Momoima Onyonka nigo akira ekoko obomo ubwerombe ya linda mwananchi abwasateba nigo erombe yo irache kwenekia buna oboibi naboigo okunirigwa kwa bakenya kwelire abwase agikelia engana yokoruego kwa maki ekero giokolikwa kwa banyanyimbo.
Ukitaka mtoto wa Mkuria aandikwe kazi ya jeshi lazima utoe shilingi 1300 mpaka 1400 ndio huyo mtoto apate nini? Kazi ya askari. Tumeelewana? Kwa hivyo ile serikali ambayo Mheshimiwa Matiang'i, ambayo Gachagua, ambayo Kalonzo Musyoka, ambayo Sifuna na Babu na linda mwananchi tunataka ni kubadilisha mienendo na mipango vile alafu tunawacha kwa umaskini tukiwaambia lazima tupewe 2 term. Waambie William Ruto is going home.
Niko baigo musike Onyonka akwanira eng'ana yechinyomba chia affordable housing abo ase aichanira lideni ense ya Kenya yaikire yechinyomba echio abo asateba buna nigo liaikire shilingi million eyemo nechinuta ibere.
Nimesikia huyu jamaa anaongea ati unajua tumepata affordable housing. Affordable housing vile naongea hivi na mimi nafanya kazi kwa Senate, ina deni ya serikali ya Kenya imefika 1.2 trillion. Mulifika hiyo deni namna gani jameni? Hiyo ndio deni ambao nyinyi wa Kuria mutalipa kwa hizo manyumba hawa jamaa wanaongelea. Wao ndio masupplier, wanajilipa kwa mawe, wanajilipa kwa chuma, wanajilipa kwa nini? Kwa simiti.
Nase ensemo yae umurwananiri bwekerugo ky'oburayi bwense musike Fred Okengo Matiang'i nigo agikeria eng'ana y'oburayi bw'egidikteta abo ase amochia eserikali y'omurayi bwense Dr. William Ruto ase okubwaterana n'ense ya Buganda ase okumobeka byara omurayi bw'ensemo ya upinzani imeyense ya Buganda Kiza Besigye oyo obwatetwe aiga Kenya na koiranigwa ime yense ya Buganda koigorerwa ekina.
Tuko na serikali ambayo hizi serikali mbili tumepakana nazo wameanza kuendesha mambo ya oppressive management, dictatorship na kusumbua watu. Na sasa serikali yetu hii kuanza kushirikiana na hawa eti kukaa na wao vile Besigye alishikwa hapa Kenya kupelekwa Uganda kwenda kushitakiwa. Hiyo sio kanuni ya sisi wa Kenya. Wananchi wa kawaida sisi na wananchi wa Tanzania na wananchi wa Uganda hatuna shida, ama tuna shida na Waganda? Hatuna shida. Na Besigye ni mtu ambaye amekuja Kenya mara nyingi. In fact niwaambie ukweli, hata wakati ndugu yangu George Kegoro alipoteza baba yake, Besigye alikuja kwa mazishi hapa Kisii. Alikuwa hapa miezi michache iliyopita. Na amekuwa na marafiki hapa Kenya. Hata wengine marafiki zetu hapa akina Profesa Nyang'i Nyong'o wako na marafiki. Tumeona kila wakati ukiwa na sherehe hapa akina Olara Tunu kutoka Uganda wanakuja hapa. Sisi kama wananchi hatuna shida kati yetu.
Ginko ripotali egetaseni kiagetembe egetaliane Brian Nyakundi.
Muno muligito Brian Nyakundi ha soroboti uru. Walimi bekamiliye chae korwa se chitundu bali ha oime ye zone yetibo. Factory ya Sang'anyi county ya Nyamira ni kubaliberero asekeli bakomochi. Warahive factory yo ya Sang'anyi asekeli bateruna telibo kurwanira homulemi anyoro bwene bwaye. Kulengana na abalemi abahebateruna mbagane chikomento chibesa asekero homo tienyi anene buna guchika wekyombe gya KTDA buna barweto guchika homulemi yo hanyale komento achibesecho muri kitufatika Disemba noroboturwa senchira yobekira.
Abaremi bekemerie chae korwaze zoni ya Itibo ime ye factory ya Sang'anyi anene korwase tundubarieri ya Isinta nigo besokire na gutwara omuyega gukwanira emechando eri hababere ba wetra na abaremi
Kenya asembere hebagitorie roro abasaka uga kabege tusanga nyindi bakumsyo murimya achikora mune chae batarwa nati habinde bakoriera Sang'anyi achibe kama ngana buyata tanko ibunde mjama kono kia mama tabi abagwea achicha na diaba mangana ndikuwa ndodi mono nati ala nabana na ngeri tanje makreki korushinda
Egati yabo nugutamentwa chibesa echo chiarenge chishiringi ibere ase chibesa chiria bagwa kadwakera omutienyi korengana no guchika wa KTDA amone gatie mechandende emenge
keoya ni tuto amochoreta mogase igoro togateba keoya tu amochore tuma yakonyora keoya butirwe ngano momana choko buta keoya na koranje sense yenga omomana chacha ko buta omachama ni hochorede iche nande lingana lya machani ande nana chetua machani shilingi 320 inkorigereria siribu yo mosani one kanyore na kire 480 na ndo korigerunga no na kire lakini machani aina atunje bedi tukeriri na kitwende ore mo twagorete manza saka bunga moyoi chieka kita 200 tokauchi aoniwe ntubuna bale mbale ko chabatorigie tobwatane no ene bikundi batatu togendera tokore no ene robero bakaoni bakabeko muguko abo
ase omuyega oyo bw'abaremi nigo boigo oikeranwa n'omwana siasa Jeremia Migosi oyo okorgia oboseneta bwa Nyamira oyo ogenderera kubwatokera abaremi kiratiri kyogopima echahe bona enchira eyemo yogokora kigima obwibi bw'ekikiro ky'abaremi korwase kitundubari
nainde naretera tiri antu atabangore tatira tiri era tiri na yewe taga era tiri era tiri akumuri gari umukarani tobeke yemu waiga umukarani abeke ekiro ya yegari na itotobekera tiri ituba era tiri ya itobe bya batekiro 10 ayatebe mundu yako ekikiro 10 mure ngwana nena mangana mange onye kabwate kenda tagete tigaite gari osande ko tini atikuyori ingi yako gera ota ekikiro cha 10 na ndere digital ekero kubeka gari yako soma chikira ereyoko monyene no ekero muntu na charole na moko ngeche manino yogapo lero kwa mambisa 5 era tireino ekiro gotagaiga
abaremi abaiga nigo boigo bagendereire kwemurunganiria ukunachwa kwa moisture egento batebire buna ebabere bakunachwa igoro mono
baro intariki 5 tukobaga yarenge Sunday tukatenia kilo ya maji ekilo ya maji twatenenetie erikato siku 2 tarehe 2 na tarehe 3 hiyo cha iko hapo mwananchi abebe pesa yake banyo mwezi yo kwebera mwaso korigeretie na kia kelele botuko
hivyo kama hawezi kupea sisi shilingi 2 kuanzia Januari na sisi kuanzia Jumatatu, hiyo ni notice ya siku tatu, hatutapea hao chai.
Chinkaki echecho umwana siasa oyoiga Jeremia Migosi nigo atebire goikachie kogenderera kobarwanirira abaremi
intesedo to wade chai tata na mama ngo iwarenga dividends ichi bakwa iwase nyende nayo manyene factory bunasanganyi ne wade shares ni moliminena ile shares na shares ziregero wate eke company ya Rosiri providendeozi ngo bumure hivi atigete kwena kwa 2020 ekalitoa bagita ba director abanya omisi na epefairi yu ngora na uchi Nairobi ngomekande kesi kotini yego save bonus na dividends chabari ni wons kurutia tegete abari munya kwa moko
hingo reporter gatembe koroiga isinta eyegotoke meye ward ya Itibo ebunge ya North Mugirange county ya Nyamira injefa tigad yesemba
Pia muno mulikito Fatgad Kisemba ha sorobotiro maga yoko bansomo sunta semya kemenge batabwatie stima nikubona bamenye korwa sebinyoro byake nongo ikorongo anyansa bakwa naboyo hinani ime ye ward ya Nyamaya ebunge ya West Mugirange county ya Nyamira balene kibakokera maga yomurobiro bwo chakiwa wokobe kwestima yobora insi yobora ibayo mu jumbe wenseme yomuske Steven Mugaka ukwana chingeke cyo nabarari chinga kiposti cyestima ikigwa hase binyore byo ni gabamenyabo bayire chinga cyabo agwakambya hocha so muske Mugaka so ko banyora se bago bakwanira enkere stimeyo erachiye ko bakonya koleto borabo ase binyore byo muri kitofati gadi Kisemba norobotu rwa senchira yobwekira
abamenyi abo bakurwa ebinyoro bya Kenonka Nyanza bakwa na boigo ikorongo ime ya Bokyambori na boigo bonyaiguba ewodi ya Nyamaiya bono mbare ne kibako gokera na imagega yechinyomba emya eyemo na 44 gochia kobekerwa estima boigo ase wodi yeiga ya Nyamaiya anene ase sublocation ya Bomabacho ase kenyoro kya Kanani ni gochinyomba 50 nomo boigo cheko konyeka no kubekerwa estima eyo amagenderero ayaiga nego aikiraniwe inse yoburai bwaye omubunge o West Mugirango omoske Steven Mugaka
tanango kujaka ibikerubo makoi kurwa se kinyoro ya sambi ntinara naye kona kende sana yako jitinana kora stima mwana gari imete eke nucho imege sunte amafuta tango sana nagora natumeka mara nagule kando lya 10 bob lakini jengwa kambi yamo nare bosti gando chibono chistima no chako leki estima bono konyorande mwana
Estime yekurutwa gina abande n'umoji tukaribwate myaka 60 se itontu anakoyerora mbona twayerorire nyonye ntivye chibantu baote abantu ana ochirwa nyomba nyo tukakorera tukakora chia sola
tane fari ni kervo moga kanesiro nyondi kimasaki korwa se kinyoro gya kana ni market mwesimi wa Steve ni moga tawakere mbia mono asengeje myaka emenge ntwana ko bana Steve lakini baone estima ya soiroro twakambia mono antwesti gatubwaterane 2027
kubatikana naya niga bamenyi bebinyore biga bairire chinga kiechi na gwakabuya atsomo bunge o West Mugirango Muske Stephen Mugaka maiga yere kubainyora
samali tangoro kuna umike muntu kurusambia inyoro ya sambia wakero mwesimi wambia mana soko toreta rumuliro mwatu inyoire
ko Richard Mugoro kurumarara nguru batamadaru mwesimi wa saboro wa direct postage kwa reta sasa ya kanani ento andro twa mara postage nzo chitaete tutaranya estimate
kero muntu ngonyora estimate bona na dengo gusaba abantu bande mbere bataranya estimate muna abantu bekinyurukie bate omwaro baranya estimate
ase ensemo yende nigo batebire ase chinga kiechi nigo babegete siasa ensemo na ekero kyobochori obonene bumwako gocha nigo barache gwakira abarayi chikura korengana na magenderero ayo baikiranirie
egendo bono tutagete this the time of working chinga chikora njikoreki jige chigoika kero modala te chibando chia yakoreki ejiro aoni ondenaro raburukania makonde nechindabu pada koreki agorigwe gobana ngorene nambuja mwana mwesimi wa Steve kanyakobo nande korera abanenji ba West Mugirange gasi amangana ra siasa propaganda turarabeke kando
ndimbu ya mono asengeja ba chumbe ba chorirwa baka bandi chi minister ndwana korra mulero boja ba menya myake mengi murontorochia njenda terenga omwesimi gwo gendere no moyo nande gotoli maiga yao asengenjo twarara ile ya baduka mange abana baito no yene sukuru akaraba ku sukuru bago singo someke bya radio kitubu
naende ikabona amafanikio ya 2027 bono ontoro jigendo twanya ko mubori yako gere kitu atagete twanyorire na bintu bine kaete sengencho no bisia na chekerani
Hingo reporter getembe koroiga se kinyoro kya Kanani ime ye ward ya Nyamaiya ebunge ya West Mugirange county ya Nyamira inje Fatigad Kisemba
ya muno mulikito Fatigad Kisemba ha soroboturu na soroboturu monchomo oligeria no togoswera liboli helieli skura lero igoro hebirangeri bya igoro ya magendero ya barai barabisi ebirangeri bya igoro ya magendero ya barai barabisi sanga munenchu gwetira se namba yesimi ya 0716 11 11 77 sanga munenchu gwetira se namba yesimi ya sokulika ujumbe nkego SMS gwetira se namba yesimi ya 07 16 11 11 77 bunenchere mwe kwene kibuna ngwe nyaso manda senchira here endonge namba yesi minigere 0716 11 77 so kwene kibuna ngo so manda birengere byaga senchira here endonge nabo yugetembe TV Facebook nabo igo YouTube tonyoro mutimo komo keto koirana togende nekyonga senchira yoboikira
Tuko filing season, the most dramatic time of the year.
File and pay. Set a deadline be June 30th.
Kwani kuna kulipa?
Kufile ni kitu moja, kulipa ni ingine. Usipolipa unachapa mapenzi kila mwezi.
Hakuna kitu ni stress kama kufanya tax returns na kulipa kodi. I'll get some to do it for me.
I filed it on June 29.
Lakini ukulipa, ndio maana ushakuwafanya.
Hey babe. Kwani who side are you on?
Nilisha file na nikalipa kitambo.
Round hii, make sure umefile returns.
Inyagitari ya Medford Hospital nigo egukwarigania ase clinic ya cancer guse oncology clinic kirali tukuri Jumatano ase obokoreri bukubwatia cancer screening and testing diagnosis, treatment, counseling and emotional support, palliative care, oncologist review, igati iyayenda mange. Mbwanchira bali chikadi chubu weni au, asamange, na bukubatalira, asibara ya Hospital Road, ange na KMTC, gusuba kresibi asi enamba 0100001127 guse 0762105575.
ine kwabere gukorya a roadshow track iyo bwate yogiriya iyo iratigo mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate roadshow track experience neyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwabere gukorya a track yiga ya roadshow iyo rakorere a product launch use emisangerekano ya gesiasa brand activation use emisangerekano ya cooperative egatiye chi roadshow chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoretere a track yibwate libagaliya eyekerero nabwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eyugiriya nigo liri ya kigima eryo lichunjukire ligo kwana nechinguru nabwigo likira bantabange nigo babwate chi DJ Janjere chi MC nabwigo a track yenabo kunyitumika asobokorera live performance nigo tukurwa obokorera wito chinsemo abuna bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amoneji county chonsi imeyensi ya Kenya street yago teko babuna street endionsi chingaki obunjeli bwago ne biasara byakinirwe aka esimgwetera senamba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chiga eldio oikera bantabange.
Karibu na inde homo nchumu uligiriria. Magega yebunge nene wetie finance bill mwaka wechirubera mirongo hebere n'etano nemo. Igo litukira lero muraibenso muske wira muruto habekire se yo kobalichi ke finance bill yo asabonera chie go chake bokarali bene. Ukwana se nyumba yobora ya State House hime ya Nairobi. Jinga kicho kobeke se yo nigo muraibense ateruna finance bill yo nigera chio konyo mwananchi wa Konyara wense.
Before the passage of the bill, Parliament conducted extensive public participation, received submissions from more than 170 organizations and over 100,000 individual citizens, and opened digital platforms for Kenyans to share their views and suggestions. Let me state clearly, this law does not raise taxes on ordinary Kenyans. Instead, it improves fairness by strengthening compliance, closing loopholes, and ensuring that every person and business pays what is lawfully due. We are pursuing tax avoidance, not taxpayers. Offshore schemes, not ordinary wages. And leakages, not livelihoods. Contrary to propaganda, misinformation, disinformation, and fake news, the government did not propose any taxes that were largely alleged. Specifically, there was no proposal to introduce taxes on freehold land, or any land for that matter. There was no proposal to introduce taxes on second-hand clothing or mitumba. There was no change to the rental income tax regime as alleged. There was no proposal to introduce tax on bottled water. There is no new tax on M-Pesa or mobile money. The money you send to your family, your business, or your friends will move tomorrow as it has always done. There is no new tax on mobile phones, airtime, or data. There is no new tax on locally manufactured packaging used for essential products.
Warai bikiumbe kialinda mwananchi nigo bararibene gucia kubwatirana bakenya bande gucia kurubekana litukolera misi ikeye hasoko banyura basaye hau babete bagusira ubugima bwabo kinga kicho kurubekana kwa basaye bekagori ya Chenzi. Warai abo nigo baterune batinindie tare iyo yarubiri gukora asorongoro gusi asoko ne kibunango ikirani bare hokurubekana uko asobono bamukirie serikali aso korokyo buhoro bwo kurobo konyigo chiasi chama chekiri cyabete kigosiria abantu babo kubwatikana no kurobekana uko.
The Linda Mwananchi Kisii and Keroka rallies scheduled for Friday, June 26, 2026 have been postponed to Friday, July 3rd, 2026. We will join other Kenyans of goodwill to stand in solidarity with the victims of the Gen Z protests of 2024 and their families, and in remembrance of those who were killed or are forcefully disappeared. We are alert to potential police and state-sponsored brutality and violence against the victims and their families during the commemoration activities. We reasonably anticipate unlawful arrests during the peaceful commemoration event. Consequently, it will be necessary to remain vigilant and engaged during this period.
Murai bekiama gia DCP hoibo igorengo mokonyi bo murai benso muskirigati gashagwa igaruko bolia ho cha saba sabe kolia Chenzi go tukutira ro korobekano ko koroberi go chikorekana chi tukulia ramisi chiserike 24 ikeye asoko benyura basawu babete bago siria magamo abo chinga kichokorobekana okwamerelio muswada wipaje ti umwaka w'ekirubere 24 kwana chinga kicho gashagwa ni gaterubuna roberi ntero yabekirwe hasogo chiago turubani okorobekano ko.
Looking at the situation, I want to appeal to the Gen Zs with a lot of humility and kindness to consider not going out to the streets. These are our children and grandchildren whom we need next year to help us liberate this country through the ballot. From the violence that has been planned by the state using police and goons, I have no doubt in my mind that lives will be lost. These are young children who have a great future and who need an opportunity to live their full life. I want to persuade them with a lot of humility that retreat is not surrender and strategy is not cowardice. I want to persuade them that there is a constitutional way of dealing with William Ruto next year. We don't have to go to the streets and expose ourselves to death, because the strategy is the state organizes goons accompanied by officers in plainclothes. They wreak havoc, they destroy property. Then the police now have a reason to come in. The goons withdraw because they cannot be shot, they cannot be arrested, because they have been brought by the police, they have been brought by the government, and then kill innocent people, maim innocent people. I'm therefore asking the agencies, strategy is not cowardice. Please, my sons and daughters, my grandchildren, consider. We need you alive. We need you to help us transform this country next year. You cannot do it when you are dead. You cannot do it when you are injured. The state has unleashed war against Kenyans as a strategy to intimidate Kenyans to stop free expression of what they feel and what they want.
abegereri bobwene bwa mwanya bantu nigo baruro kuboria gocha sabo bisabo banyinyimbo gutikana gutumika chinguru gwetania kerengo chinge kya basabe koria chenizi barachigwesokia na kurubekana litukuria ramisi kiye helikubanyura abasaba mwabo habu abete bagusiria magimabo ukwana ime ya Nairobi obatani abo nigo bateruna nigo barachi kobeka chikamera cyububisi asokone kibuno kurubekana uko nigo kurachi koba uko morembe.
It's not about politics. It's about
those that are unable to come to Nairobi, go to the relevant police stations within your locality and share a flag. Wave the flag. Share the flower to show that we are spreading love as much as we are demanding justice. And wave the white handkerchief to show we are peaceful.
And we are urging the government and urging even the goons who might be used to disrupt that please, it is just a peaceful day. It is a day to remember. It's not a day to strike. It's not going to be a day to fight. It is not going to be a day that we are going to be so bitter. We are bitter, yes. We are heartbroken, yes. But we only pray that that day it will be peaceful as we move around.
And we are telling the people who are saying why we should come out on June 25th, that it's our right. Those who wrote the Constitution were aware, well, they put the Article 37 of the Constitution that give us right to picket and demonstrate. Commemoration is our right. We cannot just forget those people who lost their life while fighting for this nation.
Monjomo ligelia go kwenyulia liboli lieli tikulia rero ni golire birangeli byabo kubatikana na magendero halia barai barabisi bagendete wikirani birangeli byabo igoro ya magendero ya barai barabisi sangamo na nchwetera se namba yezimi ya 0716 111177 namba yesimi asokulika ujumbe nkego SMS namba yesimi nigere 0716 111177 Use ge Tembe TV, Facebook na boigo YouTube. Sanga mwananchi hebirangeri byao asenchira ere endonge birangeri byao igoro ya magendro ya barai ibarae ABC. Ekraba Kenya abange bagendete kuganyirira huko nacho weki na kyomorande Mackenzie asensemo ya shakaora hime ya malindi habwa sabantu wetani chimisano wasireti hamagimabo nigo munachebi na wendi kagendo amona banachebi na bande batarere nsemo ya shakaora helikora nsemo yo asabanta abange basireti hamagimabo muri kitupurani nyakunde arobotirwa senjira yo mwikirano
ase entunda entangani maega yemebere y'abantu wetania chimisano otoka ase linani ria shakahola naboigo binzaro ekigambero ekenene ime ya malindi nigo geikirana litukolia rero ase chinsemechio chia shakahola naboigo binzaro iliokorora boikiranu ensemeyo na boigo alia akolekanete aroro ikigambiro nigo geikirana iliokomanya boikiranu alia bete ka okolekana ase chinsemechio na boigo komanya alia bete ka okolekana ase chinsemechio iliokomanya obwene anene mono ase kigambire kyo giasinyetwe komanya buya Balia babete bagoikigwa bosio bwekigambiro buna keroli nigo babete bagotebia ekegambiro alia baroche chifamili chiabo gokorerwa na Paul Mackenzie, Shalin Temba na boigo abantu bande ase ekanise yo. Egati yabo ngamo na Hamis Abdalla omogaka w'emyaka 52 oyo obwata abana 10 abwase atebetie kigambiro buna nigo Mackenzie achenchitie edini yo mwanoye kurwase oboislamu uchiase obokristo na komoira ase ekanisa yae.
Nijua kwamba yeye katika Uislamu ashautoka ameingia katika Ukristo.
Nigo akomenta goteba buna nigo mwano yoye amo nabachokoro bae bataratoka goikera bono.
Sijui kama huyu mtoto wangu yuko hai ama amekufa kulingana na yale yaliokuwa yakifanyika huko Shakahola. Hilo jambo limenitia uchungu sana.
Salama Masha nere nigo atebetie kigambiro buna nigo aruseti abana bae ase chiskuru chiabo na kubaira ase linani elio ria Shakahola.
Mabiri lisikia ya kwanza
kwenda hospitali, kwenda shule, ndani.
Nigo akomenta goteba buna nigo omusachoe uyoboigo ole omukagirwa ase kinekio amotebetie arusie abana bae ase chiskuru ekiagera chiskuru nechi abantu bagokora ebibe.
Mwambia mimi sitaenda msituni. Mimi sitarudi msituni kwenda kutafuta bwanangu. Kama nikufa haya. Sawa, kuna shida. Mimi sitarudi.
Ituko lia rero nigo mwanachiebina ase kigambiro kenene Monica Kagendo amo n'abanachiebina korwa ase kigambiro kia Malindi baikirana ase enseme yo amo n'abakagirwa batana batatu abo bagotebekana koenekia amabe ayo imeashaka hola abo ase enseme yo eliokorora ensemo Makenzi abegete kanisa iyo yaye ekero abakenya bange bagendrete kuganya okonachwa gwekinekio. Ginko ripoteri egetasini kia Getembe erietariane Brian Nyakundi.
Yemno mulikito Brian Nyakundi hasoro boturu. Waziri wechigosole Salim Mbulia enanire biti bibere asabarosi banyale kobichakia kobirosi. Ebi gochigokonya asamo Suecia sebiti ebinene bya Kenya. Ibire Taranta Sports Complex nigo gekagire gochia kobeke mukyabo asechigosole chirobosio. Kia umwaka w'ikiruwera 2025 Africa Cup of Nations. Wigo Salimu niga taririgeti kia Raila Odinga International Stadium. Aso ago kiwaniga siya kolekire wasebono era chikwera. Obogachi obwo nigo borachi kwera homoti nyogatano kebiro mwako yiga. Ase kiombe gia kafu. Erachi kobitarira heli kobiringolia.
Generally, from this visit, I'm very happy with the progress that has happened in the Raila Odinga International Stadium, because this is going to be one of the main grounds, for AFCON 2027. And as we gear up the preparations, I want to confirm to Kenyans that we are in good progress, to preparation of AFCON 2027. Away from having paid the hosting fee, we have now seriously embarked on preparing our infrastructure. And this morning I have handed over the training grounds, 2 of them. The one where you saw me doing the ground breaking, and this one here, the one with the fence. Those 2 are also training grounds that will be used during AFCON. And the other one with a pavilion on the other side, where grass has already been planted. So in this area, we will have 3 training grounds that will be used for AFCON 2027. And the 2 training grounds that we have handed over today will be taking about 2 months to complete. The 3rd one there is already in progress. We are monitoring, the germination of grass which has already been planted. And because that other one will also be hosting trainings for athletics, we will also be putting a tartan track. As well as the one on this side, we'll also put a tartan track. But now the 3 training grounds will be part of the infrastructure that will be used for AFCON. And of course now the main stadium, which is also progressing very well. I think now the bulk of the work is on mechanical and electrical. We have monitored also the pitch, and the grass has come out very well. And our team will continue, to do the basic practices to make sure that the germination is also maintained, and that standard of the pitch also complies with the CAF requirements. We also have some work in Kasarani, which will be done. The pitch, will be changing the pitch there, and other construction works. But basically for this site, Talanta Raila Odinga International Stadium is in good progress, and we have stationed our teams here.
Na gwikira kabo manchumo ligeria no gwikira mweli obo mwana maya ye kiunga chinse bire chabo no butuko kulende chikoraga chinsenye ningira nengo manyasi nchira yo gwikira nikolenda seliboli lili tukulia lero igo lyalenge birengeri byago igoro ya magendro ya barayi barabisi ibirengeri byago higubi ago igoro ya magendo ya barayi barabisi igo kwengo sangamo na nchigwetira namba yesimi ya 0711 0716 11 77 go Segetembe TV Facebook na boigo YouTube mbarega igando che asenchire rendonge akorokunere chenfanyara korwali Nairobi nigago tena barayi barakora kende gionsi nera koroku happiness nyabonyi korusuneka agotebana naki agotebuna abarayi abaiga nigo twabachorete busa asebono boka bagendete kwenyorera enengo akorongenere Rebecca Kerubo kurugari Kenya nyagotebana niga abarayi abaiga abande babo baikiraniri n'abande bataraikirani ega cheki Facebook gaigandore akoroku Anthony Ratemo erabatena nwarenge ime yekiunga asenchira erendunge none akoroku mama Ruth korugari amabiria abatena nware ime yekiunga asenchira ere endunge na gwikiraga bumonchumu ligeria no gwikira mwelio ngwana maya yekiunga eliterane serious nyakunde oyo kwenge asemsemo yemenyerio igalenge Wilson Makoli magachi kamera igalenge Wilfred Matundura oyo nekichibichana muri agochira senchira yo boikirano igalenge DJ Kriba ago sabiro twaro goligeria urubia